sleep, you know. If you got nice way, man, do me and them way there. I'm not saying nothing, man.
So, Mama, don't watch him. Don't watch him. Because you will never suffer. You will never blood class suffer, Fabi. You will never suffer.
Bro, I'm
going to tell you something. Much good people that support the right.
No, I don't give it that to you, I don't give it that to you, You see, I'm not trying to make people turn people against me. You see, God, if you war for me, I'm going to be always to me.
Always going to be your fear, Fabi. Tell this, Fabi. No,
I said TikTok, you see, TikTok, they go away for me, bro. I tell you, say, God does send different people to bless me.
They say, all if TikTok go away. All if TikTok go away, you still they go get something in your basket. Your basket now go run empty. Fabi, remember, you see, the energy connect, you know, my sister is a good girl, you know. And I tell her, Fabi, my sister, that little boy there want dog bed. That little boy there, he want to come back in your life, go make one drama. Me see it. And he not reach today yet. He come back, he plan to come make a drama in your life. Yeah. He plan to come break your heart. What's on all there right now? Yeah, man. Now give them boy no chance, man. If you go from here, if you go, when do people them that time if you go, suck him and go. Yeah, man. All rusty nail that. Him a rusty nail. Yeah, man. He liable forget this and liable forget that. Because he fuck all man too. In case some disease. He have all different type of invalid upon him. Dirty shittos. What make you think him a bleach? For hide some my blood clot things them. All dog bed. And I rate one blood clot string in him if you go. Yeah. That's how I make sure I can tell you. Because I don't hold this for my brain no longer. I can tell you the truth, Fabi. I can tell you the truth. Yeah, man. You're rotten. No good about him.
No, I'm telling you something. I said, I need to stop telling him about which I'm there and him look something there. Because you know, I'm going to take out a restraining order against him, you know. Yeah, but that I'm going to do. That I'm going to do.
Mama.
Well, if you, when you see me in person, when you see me in person, I can't tell him no.
Fabi, it's not about taking out restraining order to, you know. You see any business shop there, and you feel like, say, you pull up there, you see anybody we see in a shop, where they on their phone and go on, you sue them. You sue them. Because me can't come and fear ear salon. Because me get to find out to the salon people and the barber people, you know. Anytime there's a celebrity coming at their shop, then turn on their life and then start look clout out for you. A clout then start look out for you. So you see, as you see yourself in one of them blood class shop there, and then turn on their life, and then start text somebody, you call a liar, same time, you start text a liar.
It's fucking serious. You don't know tell me shit.
Yeah, man.
In serious, because me can't come out of my life. Me can't come out of my life. Yesterday, and them tell him, say, me can't do my nails.
Yeah. You know, what do you make for tell all one girl, what are the prudent lashes them, you know? What do you make for tell her, you know? Me I say, Mama, you can't give a location, so. What if somebody want to get to it? You can't turn on the life and put me woman on it. The whole world knows that me and my woman there part. So the fuck you go turn on the life and I show me woman. And you tell the people them location. Nobody on life would ask her where's your fucking building. Now go and do the ear ASAP.
No, bro, I'm not even near.
No, I'm just saying something. That's how people stay overall. That's how people see it overall. You can't turn on life when you see people coming in your business place. And I turn life on people. When me chat too much, you go suck your mama too. Yeah. Tell me, I tell you, no, I look too much blood clot. When you forgot look at real bumbo clot work and suck on the mama. Yeah. And if you don't know me, it's a blood clot future chief then. Yeah, people are look for me then, but who is blood clot?
It's fucking deep. It get fucking deep now.
Who is blood clot me? People maybe not want prudent, but a whole heap of boy me mash up around town. A whole heap of boy face me mash up. If you don't want to know then. A whole heap of boy. I fool them and choke them in the AI. So I fuck there. How I feel like, say. The thing me upon no loose ball around town. They are bad people in a real life. Think more no loose ball game going around me. Ever see me go live a road yet? Ever see me go road go do live yet? How I fuck do no? Ever see me go road go turn on my life yet? Hey.
You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to just take out a restraining order. Because me
Fabio, do anything in your mind, man. Anything in your mind.
me don't want him there around me. Cause like him not fucking here, but
One place,
you
no
know,
go
we just
blood
need to
clot
do,
live a year behind
you guys, we just need to just see her in person. Cause she can't tell me no.
Think no, my friend, them, me a
Why not that take you and fucking understand? So me no want to back with you. Why not that take you and understand? But guys, we just need to
understand
see her in
because
person.
someone who will comment alone life will be. I'm not going to this review. I'm not going to this gift.
Bro, you know what, bro?
Yeah, because that not work for now. That no is also doing. Yeah. But me I tell you now. Yeah, man, me I tell you, man.
Bro.
I don't know,
just leave me alone, man. Just leave me alone. Where can you understand so me no want deal with you?
The style is a good style. The style is a good style. I get what me say, Tommy. The style is not good style. Some people not gonna like what I say still in a baby sweet. Baby sweet, some people not gonna like what I say. But that was part of life, baby sweet. And marvelous. And Miss Hines. Some people not gonna like what I say. Is it me sparkles? You can't see people coming in your business place. You don't know what we are doing out there. Are people me troll upon the media then? Are people me disrespect upon the media? Yeah, only for boy me take down off our media. Who to tell one of them no act for me and bad mind me right now? Who to tell?
What do you mean by if Diddy come there, bro?
Who to tell? Are people me troll? Who to tell somebody that carry 80 for me right now? After then she said with their road. I quickest they want to get to it. I quickest they want to come start the vibes. Right now, me I tell you so we can there in our ear salon. And a man running pan way. Where he come from? All man knows so we there ear salon. All man knows so we are the bumbuckler facial. Me not turn on my life. Prudent not turn on our life. So all man knows so we did that so. Prudent not text nobody and tell nobody so we there XYZ. Me not text nobody and tell nobody so with the XYZ. I just my driver alone know so we did that so. Me not like them style of youth. Me say me make to tell mama about me say when he turn on the life and when I lashes them soon done. And when the lashes them almost done to turn on the life. Cause from him turn on the life, you know my plan for do. My plan say you know some I'll tap out by the front door and go and look down the road to see me see no funny play. And that me say me ain't go do you know. But me I say yo. Me nah no fear in me. Anything or anything. Cause me nah run left prudent, rather make prudent go on. And anything go on, go on. And that's that me tell myself when me see shit on the live. And same time I see you know what, me drive a bad boy too. So anything or anything, any player play. Anything or any player play. People corrupt out of someone, and have to do people nothing. The people can take set of you. How are you, man? Man talk your real thing, you know, go on like say, yo, you know, look into a man say. But a facts man a chat. Some man run go bex like a girl. A bex and a bex. You not talk about you to chat fuckery. I want to see man get slapped with like, you look the rest of dog, them get drop out. And that you know want to see with man. You notice me not go lose place with Brit. Anyway, me and Prudent go. Me pay my money go there. Anyway, me and Prudent go. African pay go in. Police the I gate, security the I gate. So me well comfortable. And from me I go places, me have 2 mad dog or 3 mad dog on my foot. Me not forget no name. I wrangle of them there on my foot. Me not go lose place going out, man. Not a lose place. Fabi, big up yo, Fabi. Fabi, more circle here.
Oh, alright, later.
You want to play one more?
If you want.
Oh, God, try a reason, man, a reason still not Fabi, because then thing I well serious enough, Fabi, you see me?
Bro, it's serious in a dog. Bro, where they me a drive on the tool and the man drive me down in a dog. The man drive me down, me have to pull over, you know? Bro, China know me have to go China, dog. You know, understand. And the people them gone over, I'm live and I tell them, say, she gone up on the road.
I believe you, man. Alright, look almost, imagine, alright. Imagine now, if you never can, alright, so for instance, then you know about, you brief is alright, then you go top. You couldn't care, go right here off and kill you.
Bro,
you go run run up in our next vehicle.
No, I'm telling you something. So, upon the toll, upon the toll, me I drive, you know, people drive hard, upon toll, you know.
Me know it's toll time, me know it's toll time.
Me have to slow down, and pull over, because, you know, me don't want him in drive, me don't want him.
Elise, yeah, come off fire upon the toll. You can find out 2 blood clot around the race that come up. And you know see what go on, and by the time I take a eye and look so, I don't want to crown them head on. And you go say, you're salt. When I'm not salt, you're salt. You should have look out the AI. But you, somebody, the inner your backbone, you have to have focus on what they go on behind you or beside you. Because I can't him the driver down. I can't thief the driver down too. But you know I go Fabi. I know me not cap, me not chat fuckery.
Bro, man, I say me have a pull over, brother. I say me pull over, dog. Come here, I say, you know what, I just want to hear what I say. And man, they're not talking, they're not talking, say. And I tell people them on the live, but say, oh yeah, every time I talk, she laugh, and every time I this, she laugh, and every time I this, she laugh.
People, I them people, you know. Boy, I want a few good people that on the live who have understanding, you know. Some of them only want the drama, you see me?
I drama them like, man, I drama and entertainment. I tell you something. And the drama, and I still, him know him like, he feel like him have control over me. But you know, oh God, we just want to see her in person, brother, because she can't tell me no. She not going to tell me no, bro. Anytime I see her in person, bro, she not going to tell me no, bro. You soon have me like it, yeah? You soon have me like it.
They're going to something upon the trip with the chat, guy. They're going to something in the chat, guy. I want to buy my wedding ring now, you know. I want to buy my wedding ring, because I'm Brittany now and go through certain stuff in the chat, so I want to beg your support there. I want to buy the ring, chat. Come in, chat. Focus on shoot, chat. Shoot! I want somebody alone over here can shoot. No more top girl not there. No more top girl not there will drive crown.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. British are that you worry about.
Man, bro.
For that you worry about, man. God now gonna make your prayer come true and he now gonna make your wish come true.
Bro, I'm going to tell you, bro, I don't know where I feel like.
I have to block you from my life, bro. I have to block you from my life. My woman, who left me.
Shall we tell you, brother? The man try to turn the media against me, dog. I mean, I say, I want to know, say.
There you go.
I first said to him, say, I want to know, say, him and a God. Right. If anything God want for me, I still going to get it. But you know, when I feel like, say, because I'm going to turn the people them against me, God now going to send another way to bless me and them because something, you know. I don't know why I feel like something that I'm not going to reach now with, yo. I don't know what. I don't know.
Believe.
Why?
Believe. Now hear her, man. Believe, man, my father. Oh, they look away there, man.